Cutting down your electric bill isn't just about saving money. It's also about making smarter choices for your home and the environment. Many people underestimate just how much energy they use daily and how small changes can lead to significant savings over time. If you're looking for actionable, effective ways to slash your electric bill, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the practical steps you can take starting today to see real results on your next statement. First, let's talk about lighting. Lighting accounts for a considerable portion of home energy use, but it's also one of the easiest areas to optimize. Start by replacing any remaining incandescent bulbs with LED bulbs. LED technology uses up to 80% less energy and lasts significantly longer, which means you'll not only reduce your monthly usage, but also save on replacement costs. Pay attention to how often lights are left on in rooms that are unoccupied. Make it a habit to turn off the lights as you leave a room, or better yet, install motion sensors or smart lighting controls that handle this automatically. Next, consider your appliances. Older appliances, especially refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners, can be major energy hogs. If your appliances are more than a decade old, it may be worth investing in newer, Energy Star-rated models. These are designed to operate far more efficiently, sometimes cutting energy use in half compared to older versions. When replacing isn't an option, use appliances wisely. Only run dishwashers and washing machines with full loads, and use cold water when possible. Heating water consumes substantial energy. Let's not overlook the power of unplugging. Many electronic devices and chargers draw power even when they appear to be off, a phenomenon known as phantom load or vampire energy. Walk through your home and identify devices that don't need to be plugged in around the clock. Think phone chargers, coffee makers, toasters, and entertainment systems. Plug them into power strips and switch them off when not in use, or unplug them entirely. Over time, these small actions can add up to real savings. Heating and cooling your home is likely the single largest contributor to your electric bill. Start by checking your home for drafts around doors and windows. Sealing gaps with weather stripping or caulk can prevent cooled or heated air from escaping, making your system work less and saving you money. Set your thermostat a few degrees higher in summer or lower in winter. Even a 1-degree adjustment can reduce your energy use by up to 5%. If you have a programmable thermostat, use it to automatically adjust temperatures when you're asleep or away from home. For even greater control, consider upgrading to a smart thermostat, which learns your habits and optimizes heating and cooling accordingly. Ceiling fans are another great tool for energy savings. In the summer, make sure your fan is spinning counterclockwise to create a cooling breeze, allowing you to raise the thermostat a few degrees without sacrificing comfort. In winter, switch the fan to rotate clockwise at a low speed to push warm air down from the ceiling. Fans use far less energy than air conditioning, so take advantage of them whenever possible. Water heating is another area ripe for optimization. Lower the temperature on your water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough for daily needs, but not so hot that you're wasting energy. Insulate your water heater and the first few feet of hot water pipes to lock in heat. If you take long showers, consider installing low-flow shower heads to reduce both water and the energy needed to heat it. For households with large electronics, such as computers and gaming consoles, take advantage of energy-saving settings. Activate sleep or eco modes and shut down devices fully when they're not in use. Avoid leaving computers running overnight unless absolutely necessary, and consider using laptops instead of desktops, as they typically consume less power. Laundry habits can also impact your bill. Wash clothes in cold water. Whenever possible, modern detergents are designed to work just as effectively without hot water. Always clean the lint filter in your dryer after each use, and consider air drying clothes on a rack or clothesline when the weather allows. If you must use a dryer, toss in a dry towel with wet clothes. It absorbs moisture and can speed up drying time. Think about your kitchen too. Use your microwave or toaster oven for small meals instead of the full-sized oven. When cooking on the stovetop, Use lids on pots to retain heat and cook food faster. Match the size of pots and pans to the burners you're using. Placing a small pot on a large burner wastes energy. If you're ready to take your energy savings to the next level, explore the possibility of generating your own power. Solar panels have become more affordable and accessible, and many local governments offer incentives or rebates for installation. Even small solar setups, like solar water heaters or outdoor solar lights, can reduce your reliance on the grid. Don't forget about routine maintenance. Keeping your air filters clean, your HVAC system serviced, and your refrigerator coils dust-free ensures everything runs efficiently, using less energy in the process. Finally, cultivate an energy-conscious mindset within your household. Share these tips with family members and encourage everyone to participate. Kids can be especially receptive to making a game out of turning off lights or unplugging devices. And those little efforts multiply when the whole family is on board. Slashing your electric bill isn't about sacrificing comfort or convenience. It's about making small, strategic changes that add up to big results. Whether you're swapping out old bulbs, fine-tuning your thermostat, or simply unplugging devices that aren't in use, every step brings you closer to a more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly home. Start today and watch as your savings grow month after month.